Alright, YouTubers, as you can clearly see, this is an Emerson stratojet. Yeah, I finally found one. It took forever. Like I say, go out the year for bang. So I found this literally yesterday. Here, so it's kind of cool. It's a tag. It's a K55. It's white. It's kind of dirty. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit better. But right now, I'm just doing a functionality test video. I like it, but I'd rather find the brown and black. But I am not complaining because it is a Emerson stratojet. It's gotten low. That is the canopy and ball socket it came with. The later ones apparently used that and was original to the fans. There's low speed. Take it to a bit of a medium. Somewhere around right there. Good eye. Plane takes off and it is immensely powerful. I mean, the amount of wind that's moving here is pretty actually impressive. I wouldn't have imagined. See, it hauls ass. This thing's cool. Oh, that's powerful. If I get a black one of these, there's no question I'm putting it up in my room. Now in place of the original, I'll probably mount it somewhere else, but that is insanely powerful and insanely cool. So let's go over here. This one down. This came out of the same shop that had the two cast iron fans. This was the main reason for me going down there. The two cast iron fans are just an extra bonus. The other fan I got from there is a 36-inch DEMC, which I'll be testing next. The second butterfly I haven't gotten to working on yet. I need to give it a shoulder down rod before I can do any testing of it, because I do not have enough clearance for the long down rod it has. Either way, very awesome find, these Emerson stratojets. I've been looking for one for a while, and it sounds like they don't really pop up too often, which is really unusual, but it is what it is. It's a very good spin down time on this thing. Just because I think it's another quick spin up, we're going to do a 0 to high, because these things are so powerful and they get the speed pretty fast. So there's the spin down. Let's go ahead and go 0 to high. Oh yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.